Good morning dear students. Today we will begin our general knowledge chapter 2nd. Dear students, our chapter 2nd is here hydrophytes. In first chapter we discussed about cultivation and types of cultivation and major components of cultivation already discussed by us in our last class of chapter 1st. Dear students, in this class we will discuss about hydrophytes. At first we have to know that what's the mean by hydrophytes, what is hydrophytes, which type of plants is known as hydrophytes, then we can talk about that type of plants. Then generally our definition is given here: plants that live in water are called aquatic plants or hydrophytes. Means such that type of species, plant species that live in water and mostly survive on the basis of the water. That type of species is known as aquatic plants or hydrophytes. Means we can say that such that type of species live their life cycle or spend their life cycle on the water only. So that type of plants is known as aquatic plants or hydrophytes. Dear students, in your textbook exercise is already given here: first, second, third and fourth. Fill in the blanks is given. 5 fill in the blanks are there and 5 options is already given here. Dear students, if we talk about first one, that it is given blank is a floating plant. It has fibrous root. First thing we have to mention is a floating plant. Floating plant means such that type of plant is this, is floats on water. It has fibrous root. Root type is fibrous. Its roots floats below the surface of water. Generally we can say that hydrophytes roots floats in the water, but the major specialty is here below the surface of water. Leaves of this plant float on water and perform photosynthesis with the help of sunlight and carbon dioxide. Chlorophyll is present in the upper portion of the leaf that is exposed to sunlight. Major thing is here, chlorophyll is present in the upper portion of the plant. If we talk about chlorophyll, then if we talk about general plants, then we can say that in the whole of the leaves we can say that the photosynthesis is present. But in those type of the special plant, we can say that only upper section consists of photosynthesis. Then the correct answer is here lettuce. Lettuce plant is such that type of plant whichever floating plant. It has fibrous roots also. Its roots floats below the surface of water also, and it perform photosynthesis with the help of the sunlight and carbon dioxide in the water. And chlorophyll is present in the upper portion of the leaves. Second is given here. The blank is also known as water chestnut. Such that type of plant means we have to find which plant is known as water chestnut. It has submerged stem with roots that is present several feet at the bed of the water body, and the fruit. This plant is a well-known edible item in Asia and known as singhara in Hindi. We also use such that type of fruit that is known as singhara. Green covering is there. We already we can say that it's present in our local market also. In India, the flower of its fruit is eaten during the religious fasting. Means whenever anyone have fast during any religious purpose, then we have to use such that type of fruits flower for making we can say that sweet or something. Then that plant is water caldrop. Water caldrop is that type of plant whichever known as water chestnut, and in Hindi we can say that singara. Dear students, third is here. Blank is an example of fixed plants. Its roots are fixed at the bottom of the pond. Such that type of plants roots are fixed at the bottom of the pond. Its stems are long, hollow, light and flexible. It leaves floats on the water surface. Then we can say that water lily. Water lilies leaves float on the water surface, and the stem is also hollow, long and light and flexible also. This student is about third one. Now next blank is given here. Blank is a free floating carnivore plant that traps and digests aquatic insects. Means such that type of plant digests the insect whichever present in the water body. It is generally found in Australia and tropical region of Asia and Africa. It has been declared an endangered species of plant. Then that is water wheel plant. Water wheel plant is known as a already given here. Example is diagram is also given here. Water wheel plant, that's known as we can say that start to consist or digest the insects of the water bodies. And last one is here, plant plants have little yellow flowers along the small and hollow carnivorous egg or bladders that capture and digest an insect such as waterworm and water fleas. It can be found in lakes, stream and waterlogged soils. Then we can say that it is our bladderwort. Dear students, first option is here. Lettuce means such a type of plant floating in the water. It has fibrous roots and perform photosynthesis and sunlight and with the help of the sunlight and carbon dioxide. Chlorophyll is present in the upper section of the plant. Second, Singada, that is known as water caldrop. Third one is here, example of fixed plants and their stem is hollow, long, flexible and leaves floating on the water surface, that is known as water lily. And third one is here, free floating carnivore plant. Carnivore plant word is given here, whoever digests aquatic insects, that is known as water wheel plant. And fifth one, plants with little yellow flowers and that's bladders start to digest an insect, then that is bladderwort. Dear students, it's about your hydrophytes. Only you have to fill this exercise in your textbook. You have to write correct option here. Like first is correct, lettuce. Second one is here water caldrop. Third one is here you have to write water lily. And fourth one is water wheel plant. And fifth one is bladderwort. Dear students, I hope you understand this chapter. In this chapter, only one thing we have to know about that. What is mean by hydrophytes? Hydrophytes means such that type of plants which have spend their whole life in the water body. So we can say that type of plant is aquatic plant and hydrophytes. And if we talk about hydrophytes, then we can say that such that type of plants lives float on the water surface. Such that type of plant system is flexible, hollow, and its fruit is also floating on water surface, like you can see that Singada and such that type of plants. Some carnivore type of species also present in water bodies, like the water wheel and bladderwort. Such that type of species also present. This friends, it's all about our general knowledge chapter number 2, hydrophytes. Dear students, I hope you understand this chapter. Thank you so much.